First pick rectangle tool and pressing Shift key, draw a square. I am changing stroke color to pink color. Now pressing Alt key and drag to take a duplicate. Now press Ctrl plus D to take some duplicates. Grab line segment tool and draw a line like this. Pick selection tool. Now pressing Shift key, click and drag the endpoints to increase length. OK. Select line segment and go to View, Guides. Make guides. Make sure to mark Smart Guides. Again select line segment and go to View, Guides, Lock Guides. Now select all the rectangles and pressing Shift plus Alt key drag like this. Now pressing Shift key, place them here. Select all the rectangles and pressing Shift plus Alt key drag like this. Press Ctrl D to duplicate. Now our shapes are ready. We don't need this guideline. Go to View, Guides, Clear Guides. You can also delete it. Now select all these shapes and go to Object, Compound Path, click Make. Select the image. Right-click, Arrange, Send to Back. Place the image right here. Scale it. Now select all and right-click. Make clipping mask. OK, now the image has clipped into the shapes. You can move the image by simply double-click on it. I am changing the stroke color to pink color. Now select this FX icon. Stylize, drop shadow. Change mode to multiply. Double-click on this color box. Change magenta value to 78 and yellow value to 8. Click OK. You can see the preview. Now click OK. Select the object. I am changing stroke weight to 3. I think 1 point is good. Okay. Now double-click on Drop Shadow. Change the X offset value like this. Y value like this. Blur value to 5. Okay. Great. Select the object. Right-click, Simplify. Drag this point to left side. You can see the edges of the rectangles changing to curves. Select more options. I am not going to change anything here. Click OK. If you want to move the image, simply double-click on it. Drag like this. You can scale it. After edit the image, double-click on outside. You can move it anywhere you want. If you want, you can change the opacity, stroke weight like this. So if you like this tutorial, hit like button. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.